Right, today at ISE we are introducing two new series, the 100 series, which is our new entry-level solutions, and the 300 series, which is our mid-price point. Obviously Electra remains our flagship series. Right now we come out with 10 new products, 7 new products on the 100 series, right from the range entry level, featuring all our key technologies, with the inverted dome tweeter offering a very low directivity, and polyglass cone for very clear and natural mid-range and tight bass. And the product there is called 300 IWLCR6. It's the flagship of our upcoming offers. That's LCR solutions within the 300 series, all made in France, with the cone made in France using our focal flagship technologies. Two things important there, it's very flexible. You can rotate the tweeter and mid-plate to have either as left and right solutions, and also as a center solutions with the tweeters positioned right there. These products offers two key features: very impressive sound quality with very extended frequency response in the bass, and also a very ease of installation focus, where all this series is based on an auto requirement system. That means you don't need any screwdriver at all. You just push the product in wall and there is an automatic system to go into the wall, and then the product is installed. All the products are available right now for the 100 series in February, and the 300 series will start shipping in May. For more info, go to our website focal.com. Thanks.